pushing. Keep pushing. Push, madam. Push.
Information reaching us from the FCT is that several individuals have been seen running around the city without an obvious sign of what is chasing them. Reporting live from the field is our correspondent as she gives us more info.
Where are you going to?
Please, there's a sales happening. Getfit will be having a massive discount sales on the 25th of November.
You heard it here first. You heard it here.
You'll be able to get all products at very discounted rates. So please don't miss out on it.
Are you still watching, or do you want to wait till the products are sold out? As for me, I've gotten mine.